Transporting weaned pigs is a critical process that requires careful planning and execution to ensure the welfare of the animals. Before transportation, pigs are weaned from their mothers. This typically occurs when the pigs are between 18 to 22 days old. The pigs are then moved into pens that either have or do not have access to feed and water. The pigs are gently loaded into a transport vehicle. The vehicle is often a gooseneck trailer with pens for the pigs. The loading process is done carefully to minimize stress on the animals. The pigs are transported along a predetermined route. The duration of the transport can vary, but in some studies, the pigs were transported for up to 32 hours. During the transport, the pigs can be exposed to several stressors including handling during loading, exposure to a novel environment, mixing with unfamiliar pigs, food and water deprivation, and temperature fluctuations. Every 8 hours, the truck/trailer would return to the farm, all the pigs are blood sampled, and weighed, then the truck/trailer continued for another phase. This allows for close monitoring of the pig's health and well-being during the transport process. Upon arrival at the destination, the pigs are carefully unloaded and moved into their new housing facilities. The Zetto straw bedding concept is an innovative approach to pig production developed by feed producer breeding and equipment supplier Big Dutchman. The Zetto concept uses a special type of climate control that continuously extracts humidity from the straw bedding in the barn. This leads to an aerobic decomposition, also known as cold composting. The Zetto concept uses a specially developed welfare feed. This feed, combined with efficient straw management, contributes to the overall health and well-being of the pigs. The Zetto concept uses a compost activator to facilitate the decomposition process. This concept is designed to be both animal-friendly and environmentally sound. It can be used for piglet rearing and pig finishing, in both existing houses and new or renovated barns. One of the significant benefits of the Zetto concept is that it eliminates the production of slurry. The manure produced is a valuable fertilizer that can even be composted, benefiting the environment. The Zetto concept has been tested in practical life with 6,000 animal places and has been managed very successfully. This concept was awarded the Innovation of the Year 2019 in the category Pig Management Systems. Qingdao Jianhua Food Machinery Manufacturing Company Ltd., established in 2000, is a leading manufacturer of comprehensive livestock slaughter line solutions. They produce a wide range of slaughter lines to process pig, cattle, sheep, and poultry with incredible efficiency. They offer design, production, installation, and maintenance services. Pigs are unloaded from transport trucks and housed in pens with controlled temperature and ventilation. The pigs are first stunned to ensure they are unconscious and insensible to pain before slaughter. This is a requirement of the Humane Slaughter Act. After stunning, the pigs are bled out. This is done by cutting the major blood vessels in the neck or chest. Carcasses are thoroughly washed with hot and cold water to remove dirt and contaminants. Carcasses are immersed in hot water tanks to loosen hair follicles. Internal organs are carefully removed and inspected by veterinarians. Edible offal is separated and processed further. The carcass is split down the midline and excess fat is trimmed. Carcasses are chilled rapidly to preserve freshness and prevent bacterial growth. They are then stored in refrigerated chambers until further processing or shipment. Qingdao Jianhua also offers a wide range of auxiliary equipment for slaughter lines, such as conveyors for transporting carcasses throughout the process, hoists for lifting and lowering carcasses, offal handling and processing equipment, wastewater treatment systems. Key features of Qingdao Jianhua slaughter lines: the lines can be highly automated, minimizing manual labor and ensuring consistent product quality. Stringent hygiene standards are maintained throughout the process to ensure food safety. The lines are designed for high throughput and efficiency, maximizing production capacity. Animal welfare in pig production is a complex issue that encompasses a variety of factors. Pigs can be housed in intensive indoor, semi-indoor, outdoor bred, or outdoor, free-range, farming systems. Each system has its own set of welfare considerations. For instance, intensive indoor housing systems can lead to barren environments without enrichment, in which sow and boar movement is confined, sow feeding is restricted, and piglets undergo routine painful husbandry procedures. Providing enrichment, such as straw bedding or toys, can help to reduce boredom and frustration, which can lead to aggressive behavior. Pigs in barren environments have been shown to have higher stress hormone levels than pigs in more enriched environments. Sow stalls and farrowing crates are metal-barred crates in which sows can stand and lie down but are unable to turn or walk around. When sows are unable to move freely, it can result in reduced bone strength, impaired mobility, and reduced cardiovascular fitness. In addition, sows are unable to socialize or perform highly motivated behaviors, for example, exploratory or nesting behavior in pregnant sows. Pigs also suffer during long-distance transport for further fattening and slaughter. The transport conditions should be designed to minimize stress and discomfort. These are just a few of the many considerations that need to be taken into account to ensure the welfare of pigs in production systems. It's important to note that the specifics can vary based on numerous factors including the size of the operation, local regulations, and more. Gherri Meat Technology is primarily a manufacturer of equipment for sausage production. They collaborate with major Italian and international food producers, providing professional service at every stage of the process, from pre-sale consultation, where they understand the specific needs of the customer, to offering tailored solutions, to installation and periodic maintenance of the machine or production line. In general, sausage production involves several steps. Meat cuts are first ground in specialized machines, often with additional ingredients like spices, herbs, and fillers. The prepared mixture is then stuffed into casings made from natural materials like animal intestines or synthetic options. Once stuffed, the sausages are clipped or linked to desired lengths using specialized machines. Some sausages undergo further processing like cooking, smoking, or drying to achieve specific textures and flavors. Finally, the finished sausages are packaged and stored under controlled conditions for distribution or sale. Gherri offers various equipment for full sausage production process.